see the shaliness that I talked about.
Yeah.
See it splits off in thing. Well, there's a few roots in that from the surface, of course.
See this layer of organic matter here?
Mm.
If you did a conventional soil test on this, that would tell you this has got pretty good organic matter, but it's all in that first inch. There's nothing here. The layering, that's the way it's cracking. It's just, there's no structure there. It's just flat, pressed, dead. And the other thing is, these thick roots here, ours doesn't have that. These are your water roots.
Yep.
And ours at the top, well, should have broken open, but there's more feeder roots in the top.